This was my hair before I damaged it, and this is my hair after I damaged it by combing out my locks. I got a lot of breakage. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm showing you how I grew my hair fast. I grew my hair fast by wearing my mini twists, mini braids, ponytails, box braids, empress braids, wearing my hair put up. I also grew my hair faster by wearing a wet set where I twisted my hair up wet. Therefore, I am able to spray it down with my aloe vera juice anytime throughout the day and not worry about the shrinkage. And that is what you are seeing here. These are wet sets where my hair was shrunken. I sprayed my hair down or wet my hair several times in a day and didn't have to worry. My hair stayed moist and supple. When I do stretch my hair out, I can really see my length. And here is a before and after shot. And there's a significant amount of growth 8 months apart. My real goal is reaching past waist length again. Thanks for watching.